So first of all, what is fraction? So children, this is chapter number 5, fraction. Look at this, some problem are there. Uh, Look at this. Mm, mm. Okay, now this is chapter 5, fraction. Fraction. So first of all, what is fraction? I said before, fraction, children, fraction is a part of any article. Is a part of any article. What? How? How can we define? Suppose this is a stick. Okay. This is sticks. This stick's length is 20 meter. This stick length is 20 meter. Okay. I'm going to part is a half part. Okay. This half a part, I have to part of half. This half is this, half is this. Okay. Clear. So what is the fraction of this segment and what is the fraction of this segment? You will say that these measurements are half of this. Means this will be half. This will be half of 20 meter. Okay. This is half. So you will be right like that. This is half, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. This is a fraction 1 by 2 and this is also fraction 1 by 2. How can we see that 1 by 2? So you know in fraction, when we write a fraction in a copy and in a sheet, you have to know about the fraction. Fraction is a numerator and denominator part. Is a one is a numerator and this is a denominator. 2 is a denominator, you know. Okay. Clear all? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, this is the fraction of this segment and 1 by 2 is this fraction of this segment. Okay. Now look at this. You all see the chalk. You will all see the chalk. If I break the chalk from the middle, so I have the two pieces of a chalk. Okay, this will be one chalk. You said how many chalks I have? You will be said one chalk, and this I break from the middle. So that time I have a two chalk. So I'm asking the question, what is the fraction of this chalk? Your answer will be sir half. 1 by 2. आपने half कर दिया. 1 by 2. Clear? Half. 1 by 2. And here 1 by 2. And half, when we join the half and half, it becomes full. When we join half and half, it becomes full. When we join half and half, okay, so it becomes full. Okay, one chalk. It becomes one chalk. Okay, clear? So this is a 1 by 2. Where is the 1? 1 is represent the whole part. Whole part means 1. Whole part means 1. 1 is an article because 1 is a stick. And denominator is represent how many parts are there in this the given article. I have two equal part. These length and this length are same. This length will be 10 centimeter and this length is a 10 centimeter and all is 20 centimeter. So this is half. Clear to all? Raise your hand if you understand. Understood? Okay. Now, this length and this length, when we half plus half, when we add two half plus half. Okay. So you can see that full means 1. 1 is full. 1. Okay. Clear? Half means half. 1. Okay. How to do this? We will see later. Okay. Now this is a fraction. Up now, come on. This also a stick. I take a stick also. Again. Now this time I'm going to partition 3 partition, means more than 1 partition, equal. This one, this is 1 segment, this is 2 segment and third. This time is one stick. This time one stick. I have part 3. Okay. I have part 3. One part, second part, and 3. 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. So what is the fraction of this? You know, is numerator is full. 1, we say 1 is 6. And how many parts is there? 3. So fraction of one part will be 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3. This is also 1 by 3. This is also 1 by 3. And all 1 by 3 will taken together, and we add them. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. It will be 1. It will be 1. Clear to all? Okay. Okay. So from read these types of fraction like that. Suppose in this is a circle. This is circle, and I have to part 4 parts of there. 4 parts of there. Okay, and I have shaded this part. I have shaded this part. So come on, what is the fraction of this part? What is the fraction of this part? 1 by 4. Why? Because 1 is a whole. 1 is a whole. Okay. And then how many parts are there? 4. So 1 by 4. 1 by 4 will be the part of this shaded part. Okay, clear? Now, suppose I have the 2 part of this. So what is this? 2 by 4. 2 by 4. 2 by 4. It will be 2 by 4. Okay. You can also cut it 2 by 4, because we can divide it. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. So it will be, you can also write 1 by 2, because divide by 2 and divide by 2, you can divide numerator and denominator by 2. This, it's also 1 by 2. And look at this, is a whole part and this is half part. You can also write 2 by 4, and this is, you can also write 1 by 2 also. Clear? Now the next, come on. Yes. So what will be the answer? 3 by 4. Very good. 3 by 4. Good. 3 by 4. Very good. All have been intelligent, huh? Good. Good one. Okay. Now, suppose I take one example for you. This is, sorry. Yes. Some boxes are there. Okay. So, first of all, my question is shed. My question is shed 3 by 3, 4, 12. Shed 3 by 12. So 3 by 12. So first of all, check this. The number of parts will be on denominator segment. So denominator is a 12. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the 12 box. So 12 is the correct. And we have to shed 3 by 12 part of this, the given image. So 3 by 2, numerator is a 3. So what we will do? 3 equal parts we have to shade. Okay, so this question is correct. Okay, clear? Okay, now the simple is, suppose I write 5 upon 12. 5 upon 12. Clear? So I ask the question, what is the denominator of this given fraction? 12. No, 5 no. Alvira is wrong. 5 is a numerator and 12 is a denominator. Garvit Bothra, your answer will be correct. Anaya Singh, you are also correct. Samar Jain, also correct. Good. 12 is a denominator. And what is a numerator? What is the numerator? 5. Yes. Khyati Jain also correct. Good, good, good. Labdi Samarth, very good. Now 5 is numerator and 12 is denominator. Very good. Okay. Good one. Now, bacha, next I will take Yes, this is a question, is very important question. Is question number 8 of your book, page number 83. What fraction of an hour? Question number 8. What fraction of an hour? What fraction of an hour is 24 minutes? This is very important question. This is very important concepts. My question is, what fraction of an hour is 24 minutes? Okay, correct. So how can we solve this type of question? So first of all, look at this. The simple way, we have to make the fraction. This we have to make the fraction. But in fraction, what will be the numerator and what will be the new denominator? So check what fraction of n r. N r, you know, n r, you know, na n r, 1 hour, 1 hour, and here is 24 minutes. Here is 24 minutes. So here is minutes, here is hour. So convert with the same. This hour, 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And it means finally we are going to make a fraction in 60 minutes, means 1 hour and 24 minutes. Okay, all right. Now first, 1 hour, solution is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now the fractions will be 24 minutes. It will be numerator part because it's a fractional part, and whole part, you know, is down in denominator. So this will be the answer, 24 by 60. This will be the answer, 24 by 60. You can also cut it there if you want. Okay, 24 by 60, 2 से cut हो सकता है. We can do the cut of 2 because 2, 12 by 30, then again cut with 3, 4 by 10. Okay, you can also cut it. Clear, children? Are you understood? Clear? All right. Raise your hand if you understood this concept. Falak Budani, raise the hand. Very good. Alvira, Labdi. All right. All right. Harshita, you having a problem? No. Okay. Okay. Anaya saying very good. Good, good, good. All my lovely children, you're doing well. So this is thumbs up for you. Okay. My thumbs up for you. Clear? Okay. Now, next one. Next one. Now look at this. The question number 9 is that how many natural number, you know the natural number? You know the Sonam Bhavnani, thank you, sir. Okay, okay, all right, Sonam. Now, how many natural numbers are there? I read the question number 9. How many natural numbers are there from 2 to 10? From 2 to 10. And what of them are the prime numbers? What fraction? So first of all, the question is very important. Star, make a star on over here. How many natural numbers are there from 2 to 10? So first of all, look at this. Question number 9. So write down the natural numbers from 2 to 10. Okay, 2 to 10. So how many natural numbers? Now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So total numbers will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many natural numbers are there from 2 to 10? 9. It will be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now, the question is that what fraction of them are prime numbers? So first of all, you have to find these series prime numbers. 2 is a prime. 2 is a prime number. We have read the prime number. 2 is a prime number or not? Yes, 2 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number? Yes. 4 is a prime number? Alvira saying yes. Huh? 4 is not a prime number. 2 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number. What about 9? 9 is a prime number or not? Khyati Jain, yes, very good. No. Beta, prime number which have only two factors, you know, we have read in previous chapters. Okay, so the question is that first find the prime numbers. So what are the prime numbers in between series? Prime numbers from 2 to 10. Prime numbers from 2 to 10. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, only that. So there will be 4. So total 4. Total 4 prime numbers. You also write total 4 prime numbers. Clear that? Khyati, you doing not well, I think, because I read your chat. Look at this. Look at this. Just wait. Okay. Okay, beta. If you're not feeling well, so you can leave the class. Okay. If you're not feeling well, you can leave the class. Okay, sir. I am Samar. Is not Khyati is a Samar Jain. Samar Jain. Okay, Samar, you're not feeling well. Beta, you can leave the class. You can leave the class. Okay, and you are able to hear, so then you will remain. Otherwise, you can leave. Okay. Now you look at this. How many prime numbers? There are only 4 prime numbers in between. Sorry, in from 2 to 10. So question was what fraction of them are prime number? What fraction of them are prime numbers? Okay. So fractions is there. Fraction is 4 out of 9. So 4 upon 9 will be the correct answer, because 4 is a prime number and 9 is total number. So what will be the fraction? 4 upon 9 is so simple. So simple. Okay. Okay, beta. Now, so can I erase? Okay. Now children, the next one is the determine, like that. Suppose 2 by 3 of 10, 15, sorry, 2 by 3 of 15. So what is the 2 by 3 of 15? Labdi Jain is not a 8 by 10. It will be 4 by 9, beta. Now 2 by 3 of 15. Of will be convert into multiply sign. 2 upon 3 of will be convert into multiply sign into 15. Look at this. Now this is a numerator part, this is a denominator part, this is also numerator part 15. Now you say that, you will ask to me, sir, 15 is not a numerator, is a simple number. No beta, 15 is also numerator. How can we do this? If I do this 15 upon 1, so that time 15 is a numerator and 1 is denominator. Okay, listen, is very important for you. We can cut the numbers denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator. We cannot cut numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Clear to all? I repeat, we can cut the numbers numerator to denominators and denominators to numerator. We cannot cut numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Clear to all? Okay, now so we will cut 3 and 15 because 3 is divisible by 15. 3 1 ja 3 and 3 5 ja 15. Cut. Clear? 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. Clear? Now here is 1 1, so is no need to write. Now here is 2 and into that time 15 have been cutted. Now we will read 2 multiply by 5 and it will be 10. That is answer. It will be 10. That is answer. Going to read number line, and what is the number line, how we can define the number line. So look at this. Now we are going to define fraction on number line. It's very important, children. Suppose here is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a fraction, and these fractions we are going to define an number line and number line on number line. Now this is a number line like that. This is a line. Okay, here is how many denominator part? How many numbers in denominator part? 2, because 1 is a whole things and 2 is a part. So we have 2 part of 2 equal parts. I am talking equal parts. So equal parts, this one. So I have I have part 2 part of the number. This 1 part and 2 part. Why? Because 1 by 2 is a fraction. Okay. So now where the 1 by 2 exists here. 1 by 2 fraction exists here on number line. So it will be very easy. Clear to all? Okay. Now suppose another questions of number line I will take from your book. I will do, this is the first question of 13. 3 by 8. 3 by 8. Question number 13. 3 by 8. Okay. So 3 by 8. Look at this. This is, first of all, you have been, what is the fraction? This is proper fraction. And you know proper fraction and improper fraction? You know about proper fraction and improper fraction? If the numerator is less than its denominator, is called a proper fraction. Okay, and if the numerator is greater than its denominator, so that is improper fraction. So here is 3 by 8. 3 is less than 8, so it is improper, sorry, it is proper fraction. So when we see the proper fraction, so you give the number line, draw the number line on the paper. See here is a 8. So partition equal 8 part. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Clear? Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So what is the partition? Look at this. Look at this on board. How can we identify the partition? All of you, look at the board. This is first part. This is second part, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and this last is eighth part. Clear to all? Any doubt? Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Clear? Now, children, here 3 by 8. Where 3 by 8 is exist? Where 3 by 8 is exist? This is the first cut. It means 1 by 8 is here. Second cut, 2 by 8 is here. Third cut, 3 by 8 is here. So that is the answer. The 3 by 8 will be here. All right. Okay. Now take us another example. 5 by 9. 5 by 9. This is also a proper fraction. Why proper fraction? Because numerator value is less than its denominator, so it is proper fraction. So draw a number line. Okay, look at the denominator part. Here is 9. Draw 9 equal parts on this drawn number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now check, because checking is necessary. Some children's doing wrong, beta. So checking is necessary. First draw the cut, then do like this. One, this is one part. Look at this. This is one part. This is second part. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and last part is 9. एंड सब चिल्ड्रन क्या करते हैं, उसको काउंट कर लेते हैं सर, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. अब तो ये तो 8 ही है, हियर इज 9. तो वो सोचते हैं सर एक और बना लेते हैं, तो यहाँ 9 बना लेते हैं. दैट वाज रॉन्ग. सो फर्स्ट count is there. First part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part, sixth part, seventh part, eighth part, and last is ninth part. Clear? Okay. Now 5 by 9. Where is the 5 by 9 exists? Start with 1. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means fifth number, like that 5 by 9 will be exist. Clear to all? Okay? Clear? So I hope you will understood all the concept of this exercise. Tomorrow I will take another concept of fraction. Okay? All right. Bye bye.